Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the PlayStation games not showing up in library after update. PS5 and PS4 library fix. Fix 1. Restore your game licenses. On PS5 go to settings, then user and account. Then click on other, then click on restore licenses. On PS4 go to setting, then account and management, then restore licenses. Select the game licenses you want to restore or restore all available licenses if your system offers that option. Wait for the process to finish, then check your game library again. Fix 2. Verify you are using the correct PlayStation account. On setting, you can go to user and account setting. Confirm you are signed in with the PlayStation Network account that original purchased or claimed the game. If necessary, sign out and sign back in with the correct account. Now open game library and check whether the missing title have returned. Fix 3. Check your purchased collection. Open game library from the PS5 home screen. Now select your collection or purchased. Use the search option to look for the missing game. If found, download or launch it from there. Fix 4. Restart your PSN session. So go to settings, then click on user and account, then click on other. Now select sign out. Now restart your PS5 completely. Sign back in with your PlayStation Network account. Allow a few minutes for your library to sync, then check again. Fix 5. Re-download the missing game. Open the PlayStation Store, search for the missing game. If it's shown, download instead or purchase, select the download. Once the installation begins, the game should reappear in your library. And the final fix, select your transaction history. So if a purchased game still does not appear, verify that the purchase was successfully completed. So go to settings, then go to user and account, then click on account. Now open payment and subscription, then click on transaction history. Now confirm that the game purchases or PlayStation Plus claim appear in your account history. If the transaction is missing, contact PlayStation support for the assistance. Goodbye and thanks for watching.